So we're gonna make a phone case today. I'm gonna take my phone case and I am going to pencil. I'm gonna trace. I'm gonna do it on the inside. It's perfect. So there we go. Let's trace this right around here. We get a cutting board and a pen. Let me see if this pen will work. This is going to be my background. I have some tape here. Would be really cool. Let's see. I like her. She would be really cool on that. This pen, let's pull this one out. This one would be great on there. Let's put this back in there. This, I am not gluing this in there because the phone holds it in there just fine. And it will be interchangeable. I'll be able to change out the background if I want to. So I'm gonna remove the flowers. I want her there. Okay, we are going to put some flowers on this. Ooh, I like those. Okay, I like these. Let's cut these flowers out. Let me just trim this really quickly around the flowers, just trimming that. I love this. We're going to stick this down. Now, pet stickers are sometimes a little tricky, not usually as tricky when you actually cut them, but you have to, I was doing just what I was going to tell you not to do. You have to face them to you and just flip them. So here she is. Let's get to blinging. Oh wait, there is one thing I want to put on it before. Okay, these are also from Soto Studios. So these are like little chains. They're stickers. Look at how beautiful that looks. We're going to use this flower. Let me get I need to really make it flat if it all. Okay, we're going to let that dry. Look at how sweet it is. Like that. Okay, now what we're going to do, we're going to use the same glue. And let me get a little baby wipe. Let me see. I want all clear stones, and I'm going a little bit bigger with my stones, you all. I'm going to use the 16. I'm going to y'all look at the chain with the bling. I think we can put some little bling in on some of the little flower areas. It's 2 down from the big ones, a size 12, okay? We're using a size 12. All right, let's start here. Just to make it right. But, you guys, let's look at it. I may not even put a back in there because I may not put a back on it. Y'all, I like it just like that.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free printable sparkle quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.